like nighttime better because these lights be lit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 lights. So I'll come back out here. And now that I put concrete all around the bottom and the sides, the water's clearer for some reason. I guess because it's not as dirty. Bug's bored. Get off me.